Have you ever wondered why your vegetables today taste, well, boring? Why your salads feel weak, your tomatoes taste watery, and your greens go limp faster than your phone battery at 3%? What if I told you that medieval peasants, people who didn't even have indoor plumbing, ate vegetables 10 times more powerful than anything in your grocery store today? Tonight we dive deep into 15 forbidden medieval vegetables that big agriculture doesn't want you talking about. Plants so nutrient-dense, so adaptable, so medicinal, they threatened modern food profits and disappeared from our plates. Grab your cloak, sharpen your curiosity. This is Medieval Food Secrets, and you're about to discover the vegetables that were quietly erased from history. Welcome to Untold Medieval Mysteries. Meet Purslane, the little green troublemaker Big Ag hopes you never recognize. Medieval families loved this crunchy, lemony green. Today, people spray it with weed killer in their driveway. But that weed has more omega-3 than most fish, more vitamin E than spinach, more beta-carotene than carrots, and antioxidants so strong they outperform many GMO crops 10 to 1. Romans used it like liquid gold. Chinese doctors used it for thousands of years. And now, Big Ag pretends it's useless because you could pick it for free. Salsify, the root vegetable that tastes like oysters. Yes, oysters. It was once as common as potatoes, but corporations wanted nothing to do with it. Why? Because salsify takes 8 to 9 months to grow. Doesn't fit their plant fast, harvest fast, sell fast business model. Nutritionally, it's a beast. Packed with prebiotics, high in fiber, supports gut health. Rich in potassium, it's slow, it's stubborn, it's nutritious. Exactly what Big Ag avoids. Lovage wasn't just a herb, it was the medieval herb. Flavor stronger than celery, nutritionally superior to half the produce aisle. Every part useful: leaves, stems, roots, seeds. Medieval healers used it for pain, inflammation, kidney issues, digestion. Modern research confirms Lovage contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, including quercetin. Its real crime? You plant it once, and it grows for decades. That means no yearly seed purchases, no corporate profit. Before sugar beets, medieval royalty had skirret, a vegetable so sweet, nobles ate it like candy. What makes it dangerous to modern agriculture? It's naturally sweet, packed with inulin, a gut-loving fiber, diabetes-friendly, frost-resistant, delicious roasted, fried, or boiled. But it doesn't store as well as industrial sugar crops, so it was removed from the system. Good King Henry fed entire families in medieval Europe. Nutrient-dense, high in iron, vitamin C, calcium, edible shoots that taste like asparagus. So why banish it? Easy. It grows slowly, and it's a perennial, meaning no yearly seed sales. The ultimate self-sustaining vegetable. Terrible for business. Groundnut could have changed modern nutrition forever. This vine grows tubers with 3 times the protein of potatoes, high iron, high fiber, high minerals, and it thrives in bad soil, drought, and harsh weather. Its downfall? You can't harvest it with giant industrial machines. It needs care. So Big Ag chose the weaker, easier-to-process potato instead. Sorrel is a lemon-flavored green that refuses to die. Freezes? It grows. Heat waves? It grows. Poor soil? It grows. Pests? They avoid it. Medieval cooks used it all winter long. Big Ag hates it because it wilts faster than iceberg lettuce. It can't sit on a truck for weeks. It grows too easily without chemicals. Natural greater than profitable. Cardin is artichoke's forgotten big brother. And it does not play around with health benefits. Lowers LDL cholesterol by up to 30%. Packed with fiber. Balances blood sugar. Sounds perfect, right? Well, it needs special blanching, careful harvesting, specific climates, Too complex for industrial farming. They dropped it. And with it, we lost a cardiovascular superfood. Yes, that rampion. The vegetable so beloved a fairy tale began with someone stealing it from a witch's garden. Mild flavor, high magnesium, easy to grow, strengthens bones. But lettuce outcompeted it because beef lettuce grows faster, ships better, looks uniform. Rampion takes too long. So it got erased. Alexanders fed Roman soldiers, medieval farmers, and early European settlers. Every part edible, every part medicinal, packed with astragalin, a potent healing compound. So why was it phased out? Because each part required different harvesting skill. Modern farming prefers crops that behave like factory workers, identical, obedient, predictable. Alexander's was none of that. A borage was so beloved, medieval people said, borage brings courage. This plant contains gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, mood-lifting compounds, edible star-shaped flowers, nutrients that support inflammation control. Modern restrictions exist only because it contains mild alkaloids, the same kind found in coffee and tea. Big Ag didn't want homegrown mood boosters cutting into supplement sales. Before marshmallows were sugary fluff, they were medicine, made from mallow root sap. This plant is loaded with mucilage, a soothing gel that treats sore throats, ulcers, burns, skin irritation. It's crime. It grows too well. It spreads without permission. It doesn't require fertilizer, chemicals, or yearly purchasing. So it became a weed. Sea kale fed medieval coastal communities through brutal winters, packed with vitamin C, iodine, minerals, antioxidants. It prevents soil erosion, strengthens coastlines, naturally survives salt, wind, and storms. So why is it rare? Because it's specialized. You can't plant it everywhere, and you can't mass manufacture it. Asparagus peas look like a designer vegetable. They taste like asparagus. They grow faster than gossip. They improve soil by naturally fixing nitrogen. But they were rejected because they don't fit neatly into shipping boxes. They bruise easily. They need more hand harvesting. Small farms love them. Industrial farms don't. And finally, chickweed, the fastest growing medieval green. Packed with vitamin C, saponins, antioxidants, minerals, survives drought, grows anywhere, heals wounds, delicious raw, but it's free, and anything free threatens profit. So there you have it. 15 medieval vegetables so powerful, so resilient, so nutritious, that modern agriculture quietly pushed them aside. Not because they were dangerous, but because they were too good, too independent, too resilient, too affordable, too unprofitable. And maybe it's time we bring them back. If you enjoyed this journey into forgotten medieval superfoods, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which of these vegetables should I uncover next? Because history doesn't just live in castles and old manuscripts. Sometimes it grows in the dirt right under our feet.